welcome back to the channel. Right, today, hopefully relatively simple. Tried out the hob on whilst camping, and yeah, the battery wasn't quite sufficient enough. So we've got ourselves a second battery right there, and we will be trying to attach it. Now, the other day I cut out an area so I can get to the batteries, because when I built this bulkhead, I couldn't do that at the time. Right, here's the setup inside. Here's the inverter going to the battery at the moment. As you can see, I've got identical batteries, both 120 amp hours, should give me 240 by the end of it, as long as I don't blow myself up. Okay, so we have to go from negative to negative, positive to positive on the batteries, and then going up to the inverter, the solar charger. Positive has to go to one battery, which will be this one, will go to the second battery, and negative will stay on there. Oh yeah, and it's the same with this, I think. Negative has to go to the here, and this positive will have to move to the second battery. Yes, that's the plan. Let's hope it works. Got a green light on a battery. The battery is charged. Good to know. Right, okay, yeah, just checking. So TC's come in, so if I get blown up, she gets blown up too. I need a negative to go to the solar charger and to the inverter and to the other battery. Right, and that positive, I just want a positive from there to the other battery. The other battery will have the positive that goes to the solar charger and to the inverter, I think. Take that off. Okey doke. I'm going to move that around a little bit. Should have enough slack to get over there. Just enough. Get onto there. It's positive. Right, that one's the... That goes from that. It's the only one that goes on that, isn't it? Not a great day weather-wise today. Okay. Right, I think that is all the positive terminals connected. Right, so we've got the positive up to the solar, and the positive going up to the inverter, and we've got the positive from going from one battery to the other. You can tell I'm nervous, because I am. Where did I put the top for that? It's there. Okay, right, let's double check. We've got negative battery 1 to battery 2. We've got a positive from battery 1 to battery 2. And battery 2 has the positive that goes from battery 2. Yeah, battery 2 has got the positive that goes to the solar charger plus the inverter. And then battery 1 has the negative that goes from the inverter into the solar charger. And that is it. There we are. Wiring in a second battery. Big test. Ba-ba-ba-ba-ba-bam. Yep. 13 volts, I guess. Turn the inverter on. It has a green light. Well, that appears to say that it's working then. We've got solar charge. There's only a 100-watt solar panel up there still at the moment. I am going to be ordering probably another one, but a 200-watt solar panel to go up there with it. This box is capable of 400 watts. So I'm going to get a 200 watts, so I'll have 300 watts going in there to charge it up. Because obviously now I've doubled the battery capacity. So we'll have to see how it goes. There we are. Any questions? Any comments? Leave them down below. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. It would really help out. All right, thanks a lot. Take care. I will see you in the next one.